Good morning, guys. So I woke up very early this morning and I decided to make 3 little journals to add to my Christmas release. These are going to be very simple little journals for somebody probably who's going to start maybe junk journaling, or somebody who just wants a little journal to throw in their handbag for Christmas lists, for Christmas shopping, stuff like that. So I'll show you the first one. This one it's a 7 by 5 and it's just a cardstock cover. I just reinforced the spine with some lace, and inside I just ran a ribbon to further reinforce the spine. So it looks like this. I just collaged some fabric and a photo and a little piece of bling there. Very simple. I did some decorative stitching in the back, so it looks cute when you pull it out. Maybe you're shopping. They're going to be very inexpensive. I wanted to have something very inexpensive in the shop for today, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So you open it up, like I said, very simple. It doesn't even need a closure, but it has a lot of pages. So you have a little envelope here, and I've included a little vintage playing card, and I just included some little cards that you can write little notes on. I'll go really fast. Some avocado dyed paper, some Christmas papers, you know, from the books, little glassine envelope. I kept it very simple, and another little tag for jotting down little notes, parchment paper, vintage that music paper, little belly band here, coffee dyed paper, graph, more avocado, vintage music, we wish you a Merry Christmas, little Norman Rockwell vintage playing card, little envelope in the middle, maybe to keep receipts, stuff like that, a little vintage tally, 2 more little cards, no sewing, no lace in this one, just very simple, but you do have the coffee dyed papers and the different pages. Little glassine envelope, and I got one of these little crazy little looking guys in here. So cute, those cards. More vintage music. Another little card here from a little spiral clip. These are convenient for stapling or clipping receipts or photos. More avocado dyed paper. So cute. I think it's like 60 pages. I'll have it in the listing. All the details. And then the back has a little envelope with another vintage playing card and another card. I have to put my stamp and my note from the bookmaker. So that's that one. It doesn't even need a closure, but it's super cute. I'll show you the next one, and I'll call this one Cardstock Santa. Okay, that's what I'll name it, Cardstock Santa, because the cover is cardstock, but it's a nice heavy duty cardstock. And as usual, all of my ephemera is printed on cardstock. I always print out all of my ephemera on cardstock. This one I'll call A Joyous Christmas, because that's what it says there, so you'll know. Again, beautiful gold foiling, a decorative red stitching all around, collaging because this is fabric. So we'll show you this one. Again, the same reinforcements, some lace on the spine, some lace in the inside spine, some cards, another little card here. And I did distress, although there's no stitching, I did distress the ephemera. Again, basically the same concept. Another little glassine envelope there. Look at this crazy guy. Isn't he funny? I have those in my shop. Parchment. Little envelope. Little tally. And here we have a little glassine envelope with a Norman Rockwell. This is avocado dyed paper. Santa. Here you have two cards that you can use for jotting down little notes, and that's hanging out on a paper clip. Guys, I was so stressed out yesterday. Oh my gosh, I had so many journals to show, and I didn't want the videos to be so long because I don't want you guys to get so bored, you know, watching. And oh my gosh, and I had so much to do in the listings, and it was just nuts. And then I had a full house, and I had my grandbaby, and whew, but thank God I got it all done. So I'm a little bit better today. So that's a joyous Christmas. And then the last one is Very Merry Christmas. And this one is a little bit bigger. This one measures 8 3/4 by 5.5 or so. It's again cardstock and reinforced again, little fabric in the back and a little collaging. And I think this is 60-page, you know, front and back as well. Little card here. Get in there. This kit is so gorgeous. I do not get tired of working with it. Here, a little glassine envelope, and I left it open in the back. And of course, you'll get a little ephemera pack with this too. It might not be as big as the main journals, but it's gonna be, you know, I'll send a little ephemera pack for you to further decorate, because I like doing that. And parchment paper. I left this open and put these. You can put these on top. You could put these in the corner and leave them, just glue here and just, you know, use them as a corner tuck, or, you know, however you want to. Little baggie there. And then a tally card here. And this opens. Norman Rockwell. A little envelope in the middle. glassine envelope with another Norman Rockwell. I have those cards in the shop if you're interested. I have a lot of cards and Christmas things in the shop. I'm a Rudolph. Envelope, bag. My fingers are full of glue. Two more cards. Avocado dyed paper. Look at that face. And that is the end. And in here, another card. Alright guys, so these are the little journals that I am going to be including in the release today. I hope you guys like them, and I think these are perfect for, you know, just running around and running your Christmas errands, or somebody who is going to be starting in junk journaling, or just something simple. And I hope you guys like them. So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, remember 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time today. And I hope you guys stop by my shop, and if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll talk to you in the next video.